Okay, after Ikechukwu Ezanagu, Ikechukwu John Paul Ezanagu, onye ji Mmuo Mmiri Ogbanje wee mama.
Ebe nọ na.
Okay, anọ m n'ọfịs ndị Udogachi.
Tata bụ gịnị?
Tata bụ 12th of March 2026.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Mmụọ Mmiri Ogbanje, live camera also. The live broadcast again. You miss live broadcast. Or sometimes you know the buy. I'm even now when they buy. Email live broadcast in the morning while or Ghana will pay you. Go inside. 1 million will look at Malaga, so a million will look the channel, but I'm not going to know. The only thing we know is the apology to the government. Go and just hang the Choki at Yala in a Galatima, no one Mmiri arrest. And then we don't get cheap, but I better be at the day. Make my live broadcast again. Do live broadcast now. Oh, we just chapal up that. See, I no, they may arrest. Tag here to this video. See the answer to the live broadcast again. Oh, he dare not. He will never. I dare he will never. They may live broadcast. Not every no by live broadcast and the motherfucker being now. And they make us say, okay, now in a moment town for mother. Fake news. About no in the Chamania. You fake news. Fake news. But yeah, the number where senior news go see the live broadcast. Now by live broadcast, a bono keta, and the mother for your bono. Now by live broadcast, a bono keta, and the mother for your bono. The other go. You go find another chance. Why don't we not marry? Wisdom is profitable to direct. Everything is not all about noise. The other go. Everything is not all about noise. Sometimes silence is the best. Silence is the best answer. Only he came sure on Akwa. You don't really need to prove any point. He came sure on Akwa. Manokolo hate. So, live broadcast ago, but video beno. The video beno get I got some them man. Yeah. He just about protect because I know you dare not. You dare not. Mmuo Mmiri Ogbanje. Ezugade bu fake news. Adame bu fake news. We won't go away, madam. Then he gave update. I'm a live broadcast. The one on a motor, Akwa, put them on our back. I want to go the journey Yahoo. You know, like, oh, you can say that the worst mistake Omelu was doing that broadcast. Omelu, okay, make sure no now. I'm not doing that broadcast. He made a very terrible mistake. You know that go. So then you attack him. But the one no attack him again. Ojego first missionary journey, just second missionary journey, on a third missionary journey. All those third missionary journey are better. Why don't we expect your way? Carry it to Ntiamalama, Etianu Ife. A can't post to go in a smile before John even the mother. You got to go. I always give direction. I always caution people. I'm not Mr. Know It All, but I'm not that caution what people. It's young. If I have a caution to see who may share me, if you promise to go then I'm the mother. Then I'm the mother. You got to go. Murife even from Onyala. Manona Ayokwe. Sometimes focus on the message. Forget about the messenger. You gotta go. This is Ezugo. Let's keep our finger crossed. You gotta go. Let's watch out and know what is going to happen next. You gotta. Third missionary journey on course. Ezugo.